West Coast Johnny. How the heck are you doing? I know it's been a minute. Yeah, have a beard. So I bought the world's crummiest heavy bag stand made by Everlast, probably on the internet. It was only $19. I went and took it all apart so it would fit in my little car, but I didn't realize how rusty it was. And when I got there, well, let me just show you. Follow me. Okay, well, here's all the pieces. I took the darn thing apart. There's all my rusty hardware. This was the, they had a speed bag on the other side, see? But this thing's just toasted. I only took it because I wanted that bracket. But here it is, you know, pretty rusty, but that's okay. I'm gonna clean everything up. We're gonna paint it. We have an amazing 100-pound leather heavy bag to put on this. So I'm gonna go mix up some oxalic acid, throw all this stuff in there, and then we're gonna start cleaning these so we can prime paint them. Okay, I'm gonna pull all these off. They're all cracked. Look how rusted that is. It's horrible. And what this is, and that is the, they go in the front of the speed bag stand, and you can put weights on there, standard 1-inch hole weights, to hold the speed bag from moving if you're hitting it really hard or it's really, really heavy. So I'm gonna take those off. I'm probably gonna throw the rubber away. We're gonna just fix the metal, maybe weld it on so it doesn't have to be bolted. And as a matter of fact, I'd love to weld this whole thing together, but then someday when someone else gets this, when I'm probably long gone, it'll be one piece. So I'm just gonna make it as easy as I can. And it is Everlast. These bolts actually suck. This is what it came with. There's 10 of them. See that? Just pure crap. It's just crap. So I got the chain and some oxalic acid. See that down there? So we're cleaning the chain. And then I'm gonna replace this with a new piece of wood. It's gonna be probably a couple inches thick. It's gonna be really nice because I have a couple speed bags that I wanna put on this, and this piece is not even gonna go down into the gym, the big gym down there. It's gonna just be out here. There's the bag right there, 100 pounds leather. I could barely put this thing in my car. We're gonna go ahead and clean the fluid film off of here and kind of sand all the rust down, and we're gonna get them really nice so that we can prime paint them. Well, we sprayed all the pieces black and it turned out really nice. This color's, it's an amazing shade of black. There's all the pieces. They're just drying here and there. And in the morning, I'm gonna bring all this in tonight, and in the morning, we're gonna put it all together. So let me show you where I have the bag stand. It's right there. Here it is, underneath this. I have the structure in case it rains, but I'm just gonna go ahead and train underneath here. And turned out really nice. I love the black. The rust came right off. This is really nice. And we're gonna go ahead and check out the bags now. In the shop, let me show you the bags that we've got. We have a 1910 Everlast bag. It's about, I don't know, 38 inches tall, weighs 52.5 pounds. Then we have this bag. This bag is 4 feet. It's leather, it's Everlast, heavy bag. It weighs 100 pounds. And then now this guy right here, it's really cool. It's made by a company called Century Wave. It's the original water core bag. See that? So what you do, okay, you open this up. Let me show you. This is pretty cool. Hold on one sec. Okay. So you want to open this, right? Now, see inside there? It's completely hollow, right? But you got this tank. You fill the tank with water, and this whole giant tank fits right inside here like this. Watch. And then once I find the cap, I can fill it with water. And then it weighs about, if I'm not mistaken, once filled up, I think this particular model weighs about 85 pounds, 75 to 85, I'm not positive. But we're gonna go ahead and mess with these and put them out there on the stand, mess around with them.